So we're going to talk today about how to use that mysterious control panel. And this is a really important panel you're going to use a lot. So I'm going to start my cat over here. And I'm going to have him move, let's say, 50 steps. So my cat's going to move 50 steps. And of course I want to know when that should happen. It will happen when the green arrow, I keep saying arrow, the green flag is clicked. So green flag is clicked, he moves 50 steps. We can keep him doing that. Now, I don't want to have to keep clicking that green flag over and over again. So I'm going to go to control. I can make him wait in between steps. So maybe he's going to wait 1 second and then he'll move 50 more steps. That's a right click, by the way. It gives you the duplicate option. So now I'll move 50 steps, wait 1 second, move 50 steps. I want him to do that 10 times. So I could copy and paste that code 10 times. That's pretty annoying and it's going to take a really long time. There's a faster way, and that is with this guy here. This is a repeat loop. So it says repeat 10, and I'm going to put the move 50 steps and wait 1 second inside of there. So now what's going to happen is when you click that green arrow, this code, move 50 steps and wait 1 second, will repeat 10 times. So let's try it. There he goes. I'm going to do it 10 times, but what's happening? Oh no, he's leaving. I don't want him to leave. So that's where we can have some more control stuff come in. We'll figure that out in a second. So we have the wait loop, we have the wait command, we have the repeat loop. We also have a forever loop. So repeat, I wanted him to walk 10 times. If I want him to keep doing it forever and ever, I can use my forever loop and it would do the same thing. We also have this if then. This is a Boolean conditional, and that's in your vocabulary sheet that we looked at. So I can put in around here if then. So I'm going to go to sensing now. And you notice that these are the same shape as that space. That means I can drop them in there. So I'm going to use the touching sense. If the cat is touching the edge, then, I'm going to take that out for a sec, then I want him to go back to the beginning. So I'm going to go to my motion. I want him to go back to, let's say, right here. And if I look down here, that is at about x negative 184 and y 16. So I'm going to put that in. And y 16. So if he's touching the edge, he's going to go back to there. So let's put that in. Let's see what happens now. So there he goes. And when he touches the edge, he'll go back, right? No, it's not working. Why not? And this is coding again. This is, you try it over and over again until it works. The reason it's not working is because if you look, this isn't in my loop. He's going to do this 10 times before he gets to my loop. So I need to put that in there. Now, this is all together. He's going to move 50 steps, wait 1 second. If he's touching the edge, then he's going to go back. And if he's not, he'll keep going. So let's try now. There he goes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and he touched the edge. So he went back to the beginning and he finished his 10 steps. So that's all there is to using your repeat and your if then. Now, what else do we have in control? There's some stuff down here we're not going to worry about right now. And we're going to skip, well, actually we can use this. This is if, then, and else. So we can say same thing. If he's touching the edge, then go to that spot. Else, we can just say, we're going to get that one off, move 50 steps and wait 1 second. So if I start him, oh, I forgot my green flag. There he is. He moved 50 steps because he's not touching the edge. So I'm going to keep clicking it, and he's going to keep moving. But when he touches the edge, he's touching the edge, he goes back to the beginning. So that's what the if, then, else is used for. Okay? So I'm going to delete some of this code, just because it's getting in the way, and I want to show you some other stuff. So the other one we have is wait until and repeat until. So when the flag is clicked, I want to wait until I touch him with the mouse, and then he starts moving. So I'm going to put wait until, sensing, mouse, where are you, mouse? Wait until touching the mouse pointer, and then he's going to move 50 steps. So I click the arrow, nothing happened because it says wait until touching mouse pointer. So as soon as I touch him with my mouse pointer, he moves 50 steps. Okay. Same thing with repeat until. I can repeat the 50 steps until he's touching the edge. So now what's going to happen is when I click the arrow, it will wait until I touch the mouse pointer, and then he'll keep moving 50 steps until he touches the edge. So nothing happens, and then he moved 50 steps over and over again until he touched the edge, and then he stopped. So that's most of your control. You can play around with these to make things happen over and over. It's pretty cool, and have some fun with it.